back to my channel. Today my topic is what is Google. What is Google फोटोज़। आज की हमारी जो वीडियो है वो गूगल फ़ोटोज़ पर है। तो ये गूगल फ़ोटोज़ क्या होता है, आज हम इस पर बात करेंगे। गूगल फ़ोटोज़ इज़ ए फ़ोटो शेयरिंग एंड स्टोरेज सर्विस डेवलप्ड बाय गूगल। है ये क्या? गूगल शेयरिंग, फ़ोटो शेयरिंग है एंड स्टोरेज सर्विस है। तो डेवलप इसे गूगल ने किया। इट वाज अनाउंस्ड इन May 2015 एंड स्पन ऑफ फ्रॉम गूगल। It was announced in May 2015 and spun off from Google Plus, the company's former social network. गूगल फ़ोटोज़ का ये लोगो हमारे सामने है। गूगल फ़ोटोज़ हम इसको ओपन करके देखेंगे। ये लोगो है गूगल फ़ोटोज़ का। डेवलपर्स में है, डेवलपर्स गूगल। इनिशियल रिलीज़ May 28, 2015, यानी कि 8 साल पहले स्टेबल रिलीज़ है। इसमें एंड्रॉयड 6.40.0377300002 जून 4 और एंड्रॉयड में है 5.11.0.3318222357 और ड्रे ड्रीम में है ड्रे ड्रीम September 19, 2020, 2 years ago। iOS में आ रहा है iOS 6.24 February 16, 2023, 4 months ago। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड्रॉयड, iOS वेब और टाइप फ़ोटो स्टोरेज एंड शेयरिंग वेबसाइट photos.google.com। ये इसकी वेबसाइट है। Google Photos shares the 15 gigabytes of free storage space with other Google services such as Google Drive and Gmail. Users can upload their photos and videos in either quality setting, original or compressed photos and videos up to 16 megapixels and 100 and 1080 pixel resolution respectively, that will count towards the free storage tier. Compressed items uploaded before June 1, 2021, along with items uploaded via Pixel phones released before that date are unlimited. Users can expand their storage through paid Google One subscription. The service automatically analyzes photos, identifying various visual features and subjects. Users can search for anything in photos, with the service returning results from 3 major categories: people, places, and things. The computer vision of Google Photos recognizes faces, not only those of humans but pets as well, grouping similar ones together. This feature is only available in certain countries due to privacy laws. तो ये बहुत अच्छा वर्जन है। Geographic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower and subject matter including birthday, buildings, animals, food, and more. Different forms of machine learning in the photo service allow recognition of photo contents, automatically generate album, animate similar photos into quick video, surface past memories at significant time, and improve the quality of photos and videos. In May 2017, Google announced several updates to Google Photos, including reminders and suggested sharing of photos, shared photo libraries between two users, and physical albums. Photos automatically suggested collections based on face, location, trip, or other distinction. Google Photos received critical acclaim after its decoupling from Google Plus in 2015. It reached 100 million users after 5 months, 200 million after 1 year, 500 million after 2 years, and passed the 1 billion user mark in 2019, 4 years after its initial launch. Google reports as of 2020, approximately 28 billion photos and videos are uploaded to the service every week, and more than 4 trillion photos are stored in the service total. So guys, kindly like my video as well as subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.